Welcome to the TinkerTrak Demo. My name's Stan, and pretty much I'm just going to be walking you through how TinkerTrak works and what you can do with it and how it can make managing your equipment maintenance a lot easier. So whenever you sign up, you're going to end up on the dashboard here. So you're going to have a little getting started page here. It's going to walk you through a couple steps. But first, you're not going to have any equipment, so you can just go straight here to add equipment. Let's say, for example, we are a gym, because gyms have a lot of machines that need maintenance and everything like that. So let's say it is a treadmill, right? And then I'm just going to enter a fake model number, the location. So this could be if you have, let's say you have multiple gyms, right? So you have 3 gyms across your city. So you can say it's at this specific location, or if you want, you could even detail where it is in the gym. So we're going to just say in the back row. Now, category here, there is a little bit of categories here, just generalization. So it doesn't really match any of these. So we're just going to go other, serial number, throw in that. In here, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it here, but there is a purchase date. So I'll just say today. And then if you have a warranty, you can also enter in the warranty. So we'll just say that is a year from now. So June 21st. And then your purchase cost, let's say a normal treadmill is $2,000. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not sure. And then here you can enter in just some basic details. Treadmill. You can enter in specific brand, anything you like. Then you can just go down here, add your equipment, and it added it. So here's the equipment list. You can filter by all the categories, locations, warranties. So as you can see, it's in the back row. You can search for it. And let's say you had more or anything like that. You can select them all. You can delete them, whatever you'd like. It has the warranty in your little description. And if you want, you can view it. So here it is. And this is where you'll be able to add the log. This is where you'll be able to log the maintenance. So if we go here, add log. So equipment is a treadmill. Let's just say we repaired the belt on the treadmill, right? It was done today, status completed. But if you want, if something takes more than a couple days or anything like that, you can say that we did this on a specific date. It's not done yet, it's in progress. Or you could schedule maintenance out. So we'll just say it was completed for right now. And there you go. Maintenance history. Now, if we go all the way back to the dashboard, as you can see, that's how you get to the view equipment page. But back here on the dashboard, we have reports and maintenance calendar. So if we go into the reports here, you can see that we completed this, total maintenance done, overdue equipment, completed this month, total equipment, And then here on the maintenance calendar, here you can see right there, repaired the belt on the treadmill on the 21st. So it lines up right there. Now, let's say we're adding another bench. Let's say it is, 1111. Location, where it's at gym, location number 2, or whatever. Category, it's going to be other, serial number 11111. Purchase date today. The warranty expires. I'm just going to put in a fake number for right now. Purchase cost, let's say it was like a $300 bench, and it is a good bench. Now, if you add the equipment, it adds it in, right? Tells you the warranty is going to expire soon and everything like that, but we haven't logged any maintenance on it, right? So when you log into the dashboard now, you'll see you have maintenance reminders, warranty expiring soon, never maintained. Now, this will pop up since we haven't maintained it, right? But if we maintain it, this will go away, and you can click on these and it'll actually take you to the part where you actually need to add maintenance logs. And same thing with this, it'll take it here to the equipment page so you can actually view the details about that. So yeah, this is TinkerTrak. It is just a easy way for businesses or anyone really to monitor their maintenance of their equipments.